Good morning, guys. It's Cooking with Rudy. How y'all doing? You can see I am waking up. So today we're gonna do what I consider poor boy pancakes. So with all the controversy and stuff like that, I decided to check out what Aunt Jemima's pancakes look like. Never had it. I want to see what it was like. This is my last batch. It's been pretty good. Not fantastic, but this works. So if you guys are at a hotel and all the stuff's really cool and you got this beautiful waffle maker and all this stuff, that's a lot of fancy stuff to have to buy. Well, if you got one pan, two pans, here's how you make it. So, first thing you do is add a little bit of water. And we're going to dump the remaining amount of pancake mix I have in here. This might be enough for two. Let's see. I'm going to add a little smidgen of oil. Mixing spoon. A little bit of water. And this is really, whoops, put that in a different spot here. This is really thin. So we're going to mix a lot more of that stuff in here. Thing is, today I'm limited, because once this box is gone, it's gone. So I consider this kind of like almost like making concrete. Okay, a little bit more water. And we're just going to finish this up here. My spoon is not going to hold it here, cracking. So you want to make it kind of good paste. Now the trick of this is actually guessing the right timing. Just going to add just a very little bit amount of water. Set my stove about 8. Okay, now here's the trick. Pour it in here. I've always been a pretty good guesser as guessing the amount in here. I'll kind of make it nice and pretty. Move this here, we can see. I'm going to grab a fork. Well, the kicker in here is to guess the lumpness of this thing. And you want to have a waiting pan, second one. And a waiting plate. So what's everybody doing today? It's a beautiful day. I'm really hoping we come out of our masks one of these days. Really like to enjoy the day without a mask. Sorry, this is the part that takes a little while. But what you're looking for is you want to see underneath here, it's getting pretty solid. And this is the magic trick. You want to see how long it actually getting this thing solid without actually burning the stuff underneath. I'm getting pretty close. Yep. About another minute or two. I think I need some music this morning. A little too quiet. So have you guys been watching my arcade 1-up? All the other things I have on my channel? Okay. Now we move this over to the other pan. And very carefully, I have to say, I think we're pretty damn good here. Now this part's actually pretty easy. You can kind of guess where you are. Still needs a little bit more. It's a little gooey. So out here in Miami, it's grill all year long weather. Still a beautiful sunny day. Kind of wonder how the rest of the country's doing. Kind of do miss the snow, I must say. And yes, I do know the waiting is the hardest part on this thing. Again, about another minute. I think we're done. Smells delicious. And now all you do is scoop. Apply a little bit of butter. Apply a generous amount of pancake mix. Even though I do have to say that the true maple stuff's got nothing on this. My friend from Canada sent me some of that stuff and it's just delish. Okay guys, hope you have a fantastic day. Bon appetit.